Hello riders, welcome to Garage Uncle. So today we have this video is basically for all the riders. During the monsoon season, we have got many complaints that there is a water going into a petrol and in the tank and everything. So you can see we have come across one bike, Domina, and you can see the petrol and the water over here. So water have went into the tank, petrol tank. So this is because of three things. First, that initially there could be a drainage hole which is there in the tank. I'll show you. So you can see the hole over here. It's basically not clear. It's choked with some multiple dirt or a mud inside which is there. So I'll just show you a small experiment now. We'll use this syringe. We have filled up the water. Now see. Now I'll show you. If I'm putting a water over here, ideally the water should go, but it's not going. You can see it's just floating over here and the side of the tank. And now this tank we have cleaned. We have cleaned the tank. See, we have just cleaned the tank. Entire tank has been cleaned now. You can see there is no dust in the hole. It's very clear. Now, if we are pouring same thing we are doing over here also. Now you will see there will be a water which will surplus to and it will come to the drainage pipe. So this means if the drain hole is proper, there will be no problem of water going inside your petrol and the petrol and the water mixing together. So please make sure that you clean this hole with a normal cleaner over here inside the hole and put it across. Just do multiple times. You will feel the entire hole has been cleaned properly. There will be no dirt and everything inside and it will be cleaned properly. So make sure that you do these things, and if you will think that this is helpful, please share it with your riders and with your friends, and do subscribe our channels.